Hey, how's it going? Day 10 here, and I'm actually here at BJ's Brew House here behind me. This used to be a bookstore where I bought an album called Otherworld by Lúnasa, and that started my whole journey into Irish music. So I thought I wasn't very inspired this morning. I made a video, I didn't like it, so I said, well, I'm going to come somewhere else and try and be inspired by a place, because it's a very Irish thing to do. And I was thinking about the god Lugh, which this Lúnasa is named after, and he was one of the Daedanan. And he was a great warrior, but also a great craftsman and great, he was talented in many things. And he was called the Long Arm, because he was very good with the spear. And anyway, so this tune's called The Ghost of Lugh.